Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can update Windows applications using only a single command. To get started, simply right click over Start Menu Windows icon and click on Terminal Admin. Now type Winget space upgrade and hit enter. Now this will scan and show you all the applications that can be updated. Now to update all these applications, type the command winget space upgrade space all and hit enter to execute it. Now just sit back and relax. All your Windows applications will get updated with ease. You should always keep Windows applications updated to enhance security, improve performance and stability through bug fixes. Ignoring these updates leaves your system exposed to security risks and potential operational problems. That's it. All of your Windows applications will get updated. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.